Hot on the heels of unveiling of the R1T, Rivian has taken the wraps off their new R1S SUV. Set to be shown at the Los Angeles Auto Show, the R1S is largely identical to the electric pickup, but it features unique styling aft of the A-pillar. The biggest change is the new body style, which results in the R1S having longer rear doors, a gently sloping roof, and a more practical interior that can set up to 7 people. Like the R1T, the R1S will be offered in multiple configurations, and the base model will have a 105 kWh battery pack, which powers 4 electric motors. This setup gives the SUV a combined output of 402 horsepower and 412 pounds-to-foot of torque. In terms of performance, the entry-level model can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds, hit a top speed of 125 miles per hour, and travel more than 240 miles on a single charge. The mid-level model has a larger 135 kWh battery pack and a combined output of 753 horsepower and 825 pounds-to-foot of torque. Thanks to the extra power and larger battery, the SUV can run from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and travel in excess of 310 miles. The range-topping variant has a 180 kWh battery pack and is the only version of the R1S to come with a 5-seat interior. The model also has slightly less performance, as it is rated at 700 horsepower and 825 pounds-to-foot of torque. As a result, the dash to 60 miles per hour takes an additional 0.2 seconds, but its range is 410 plus miles. While the powertrain's carryover, the R1S is shorter than the truck, as it measures 5,040 millimeters long. The SUV is also slightly taller and weighs 44 pounds less than the R1T. The interior boasts the usual spaciousness of an electric car. The chassis has been designed from scratch to be roomy, and there are numerous cubbies and storage holes for the detritus of family life. Note also the prominent digital touchscreens. Rivian is building its own infotainment system, and engineers say they're modeling for an autonomous future where owning data and the relationship with your customers will be paramount. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.